Hey everyone, it's been a while, like a week, but it feels like it's been a while. That was the inspo for these nails. I'm showing her Etsy here, and that's where she sells them. I thought they were cute, so I wanted to share it. Of course, I'm not going to do it exactly like the picture. I'm going to do it, I'm going to remix it, I guess you could say. Prepping the nails again. Prepping means filing the tips off, buffing the top of the nail, and adding base coat. I love Kawaii stuff. I love paint. I love art. Just creating something from nothing. I think I said that before. I'm using Modelones base coat. And then on this video, I'll be actually trying a new builder gel, and it's Modelones builder gel in a polished form. So, like I say, I always learn from mistakes. So here, I should have kept going with thin layers like that to build it up. I got too confident, and I feel like I added a little too much at one time. So, not the next nails, but the nails after that, I won't be adding as much. Like, I'll probably just do like 3 kind of thick layers as opposed to 1 thin layer and then a thick ass layer, basically. But yeah, I love it. I love the convenience of it, because sometimes I just want to go more so for the nail art, or I just want to get a set out because I know I have something coming up that I want to do, or I want to make some for someone, and I just want to like get them out the way. So yeah, as far as time goes, I'm gonna record and see how long it takes me to file these down and everything, but I'm pretty sure it's shaved off at least an hour. So if you make your own press-ons, definitely go ahead and get out a try, because it is builder gel. It's just in a little bit more liquid form, and I really love it. I still love to shape my own nails, but yeah, that's gonna be a new favorite. I don't know how to pronounce the name of this polish. I show the name of it, and I'm adding the nude color for the French tip. And then for the French tip this time, I'll be trying something that I saw from Not Polish's short stories. I've been into watching shorts, and the algorithm need to get better, because they keep showing me like TikTok type content, and I just strictly want to look at nails. So I guess I'm just putting that out in the algorithm. Please only show me nails in my shorts, YouTube. Thank you very much. Anyway, yeah. Kawaii is Hello Kitty. I don't know why on the shorts it was coming up as Sonic, but I'll take it. It was Hello Kitty with a hood on. Yeah, here's the technique right here. So enjoy the rest of the video. Hope you are enjoying your day, your night, your week, weekend, whatever it is. I hope you're enjoying it, and I hope you have fun while doing it. And thank you for watching my video. Talk to me.